I'm Helen Wyatt from Georgia, and I made some Hypertufa bluebird houses. I want to put one up before the summer's over because my bluebirds are still nesting, and I couldn't get anyone to put one up for me, so I'm going to try to attempt to put my own self one up. So I'm going to show you how I do this. Thank y'all very much for watching this video, and have a blessed day. I'm going to take this old birdhouse down and put up my new one. Looks like some wasps has got a nest in here. Has anyone ever heard of if you want something done, you have to do it yourself? Well, that's my case. I don't think that's going anywhere. Now I'm putting my birdhouse up there. I think that's pretty good for a 78-year-old woman, putting up her own birdhouse where the birds can enjoy it.